In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to exchange files with OneDrive step by step. 2025. Whether you're sharing a single document or receiving something from a colleague, I'll walk you through the essentials so you can do it quickly and confidently. First, open OneDrive in your desktop browser. Once you're on the main page, look at the left sidebar and click My Files. This is your central hub where all your folders and documents live. If you have a lot of content, the search bar at the top can help you find items faster, but browsing My Files is a great way to see everything at a glance and pick exactly what you want to share or where you want to store incoming items. To share a file, hover your mouse over it and click Share. A sharing window will appear with permission options. Decide whether anyone with the link can view or edit the file. View keeps it read only, which is ideal for finalized reports, PDFs, or materials you don't want changed. Edit allows others to make updates, perfect for collaborative documents and ongoing projects. You can adjust this setting later if your needs change, so don't worry if you want to tighten or loosen access afterward. Next, choose how you want to send it. Click Copy Link to place a shareable link on your clipboard. This is especially handy if you'll paste it into a chat, a Teams space, or send it to multiple people at once. Alternatively, you can enter the recipient's email address directly in the box and click Send. This delivers a message from OneDrive with the link included. If your organization has specific sharing policies, using Send may automatically follow those rules. Whichever method you choose, double-check that the permission you selected, view or edit, matches what you want others to do. After you've copied the link, paste it into your preferred app, email, chat, or any messaging platform, and send it. If you need to stop sharing later, just return to the Files Share options to change or remove the link. To receive files from someone else, ask them to share a OneDrive link with you. When the link arrives, click it to open the shared item in your browser. You can review the content first, and if you want to keep it handy, choose Add to My Files. This places it in your OneDrive so you can access it alongside your own content and organize it just like any other file. You may be prompted to sign in to make sure it's saved to the right account. That's it. You can now share and receive files confidently in OneDrive. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.